Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Title: How to fix unterminated expression in f-string, missing close brace in Python. Introduction. F-strings, introduced in Python 3.6, provide a concise and convenient way to embed expressions inside string literals. However, users often encounter an unterminated expression error when there's a missing close brace in an f-string. This tutorial will guide you through identifying and fixing this common issue with practical examples. The error message typically looks like this. This error occurs when a closing brace is missing in an f-string, causing the Python interpreter to consider the expression as unterminated. Let's take a look at an example that triggers the error. In this case, the f-string is missing a closing brace after age. Running this code will result in a syntax error. To fix this issue, simply ensure that each opening brace has a corresponding closing brace. Here's the corrected version of the above example. Escape braces inside f-string. If you need to include literal curly braces inside an f-string, you should use double curly braces to escape them. For example, check for nested expressions. Ensure that any nested expressions within the f-string also have balanced braces. Nested expressions can sometimes be a source of unterminated expression errors. Use triple quotes for multiline f-strings. When working with multiline f-strings, consider using triple quotes, or, to avoid unintended line breaks causing syntax errors. Fixing the unterminated expression error in f-strings is a straightforward process. By carefully examining your f-string expressions and ensuring that each opening brace has a corresponding closing brace, you can prevent this common issue and make the most of Python's f-string capabilities. ChatGPT.